Hello everybody! It's Monday and we're on our way to work. So thankfully, hindi sobrang humid ngayon gaya nung mga nakaraang araw. This is a BTS book, gift ko sa ka-work ko. Anyways guys, I'm on my way sa waiting area namin nila Badeng. Sana nandun na sila kasi kailangan maaga kami ngayon dahil hindi kami nakapag-decorate ng table ni Priya last Friday. Kasi syempre, pag Friday kasi wala na kasing energy yung mga tao. So, parang atat nang umuwi, ganun. Let's see kung ano na naman ang mga kaganapan natin this week. Asan na ba si Badeng? Sabi niya nandito na siya. Ano to? Big Queen. Wow!
Nasa adulting stage na.
Wow! Kasi guys, itong ka-work namin na to, mahilig siya sa BTS. Hi Rahul, good morning. Morning Rajul. Yung card pala niya nandito. Magic bigla. Who's your favorite? Jungkook? Just cut it.
No. I don't want to see, but I have this. I know.
You have this? Oh my god.
There's no closet. Oh my god. No, you have to.
I'm currently hiding dito sa mother's room namin kasi na last day kasi ng amo namin ngayon and I'm trying to finish this like a farewell card namin para sa kanya. So, nandun kasi siya sa amin ngayon so hindi ko siya matuloy-tuloy. Guys, let's eat lunch muna. So, yeah. Hello guys! Say hi to my vlog! Ma-lunch muna tayo guys. Okay? Okay! This is my lunch. It's adobo with egg. And, you know, very, very healthy si Kuya Joe o salmon. Salmon! And veggies. Oh. And then, ano yan?
Pasta.
Pasta. Yes. As usual, nandito na naman kami sa mall. Kailangan kasi naming mag-walking para matunaw yung mga bulate namin. Ganun. Ay, hindi ba? Hindi ba? Kala ko bulate guys. Sorry, yung kinain pala. Pasensya na. Tao lang. Guys, lagi kami actually dito sa Sephora. Kaso nakakahiya na, kaya sa iba na lang. Oo, nakaabang na sila kasi araw-araw na lang ako nagme-makeup doon. So, wala akong binibili. Wala kasi akong pambili guys. Naghihirap na ako. May pa-ice cream tayo ulit. And ang taya ay si Ray. Kuya Ray, salamat ha. Salamat sa pa-ice cream. Baka hindi ka na pumasok bukas.
Naisip ko nga din.
Happy birthday to you. Happy day to you. Happy birthday, dear Priya. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much.
One piece the knife.
You gonna post it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. I love the gift there also with so much BTS. I cannot work anymore, please, because I am so distracted with the things are there on my desk. Either I can work or either I can look at them. So I prefer looking at them. Thank you so much for the gluten-free cake and flowers. I have esteem.
Uwian na namin guys, pero nauna kasi silang bumaba kasi nga pumunta sila dito sa Waitrose. Kaya pupuntahan natin sila kung ano ba ang binili ng mga guys. Yes or yes? I think yes. Ang ganda ng mga flowers. It's so nice. Ito, I like this. And that. Eucalyptus. Bili ka kuya. Palaspas. Yan ang palaspas dito.
Yan yung mga hinahalo.
Tapos pwede rin niyang idinengdeng. Hmm? We're on our way home. It's so init. Hmm? Grabe nang makatain si kuya.
Hindi kasi wala. Ay,
Ginajudge niya yata ako. Dito kasi paglabas mo, lalagkit ka sa init kasi it's so humid. It's super init, guys. Ano ba yan? Okay na. Char. Super init. Parang pag ganito kailangan mong maligo. Kaso naman pag hindi, pagpasok mo ng aircon, wala na yung lagkit. Nagbasa yung likod ko ng pawis. But anyways, andito na tayo. It's another day. And that is our Monday. See you tomorrow. So, nandito na ako sa metro station kasi inaantay ko sila Badeng. Pero andito na nga si Ed Marie. Pero wala pa si Glenny. Anyways, I bought hopya for breakfast. Wala pa si Glenny, sis. What is this? Tinawagan ko siya. Sabi niya, iwanan na raw natin siya, sis. Tara na. Hmm? Ang aga kong nagising ngayon, guys. Kasi nga, it's my wash day ng hair ko. So, 5:30 pa lang, gising na ako. Then, nag-blower, nag-makeup, nag-curl. Yeah, and time check, it's around 7:40 in the morning. Happy Tuesday, everyone! Very productive ang Monday ko yesterday. So, sana productive din ang Tuesday ko ngayon. But here comes Glenny. Dito tayo, dito tayo. Char. Morning! We're on our way to work. For today's lunch, we have pancit
And adobo with eggs.
and salmon na may pagka-pinakbet.
Bakit pinakbit?
Bakit pinakbit?
Yun ang mga okra.
Pag sinigang ka na naman talaga.
Talaga?
Ano bang mo salmon na mo?
Ang
Luya lang.
nilalagay namin is kangkong and yung white eye.
Labanos.
Labanos.
Pwede rin ang okra, pang sinigang din yan.
Labanos mustasa.
Ano nga?
Ate sa akin na lang lahat.
Occasional bullshit. And then, oh, it's from Boss.
Oh my god.
Boat shoes! Shit. So cool, that's good. Thank you, everyone.
Do you need these salts for the plate? I don't know.
Oh my
You were
god.
gonna
What
flip
let's see?
I am
What
very
Thank you.
Those are very nice. They're like literally your style.
All the time we were looking at
And your favorite colors, huh?
Yeah. Wow, you guys, great choice.
Thank you. I've done a lot of activities, haven't we? Yeah, there's a lot of stupid photos in here. Is that the one you put on the doors? Was that Angelica that did my face?
This is not AI. This is real picture.
I know, but Natalie, I know that's not AI. Because you should have made me skinnier if it was. Is it the face that you put on the door? Yeah. Thanks, T. Who made this?
Who do you think?
Hmm?
Who do you think?
Thank you. I love it.
That's the only creative person we have in the office.
Oh, is it?
She's our what I call her marketing ambassador. Marketing ambassador.
Is it? Oh, God. She's kicking. Thank you.
Papasok na din siya bukas.
Guys, this is my blanket. Diba, ganyan dapat yung upuan mo. Para kunwari trono. Diba? Reynahan ka dito. Sis. Like, yes? Hello! Good morning, everybody! Baka mayayaman lang yung nagaganyan. Ano yun, mahirap ka na, magbe-vegetarian ka pa, mag-gluten free ka pa. Paano ka na lang mabubuhay yan? Guys, for today's breakfast, we have chicken soup and boiled egg and coffee, of course.
Sinend mo sa ano? Sa group?
Yes. Yeah. For today's lunch, I have stir-fried veggies. Ginaya ko lang yung kay ano. Kay Edmar. And adobong atay. Yes. And I have yogurt and Coke Zero. That's it, guys.
Go away. Luway nila.
Hello guys! Pauwi na kami. It's super init guys! Parang iniihaw na kami dito talaga. Para kaming bangus na nasa foil. Anyways, look at my eyes. It's so red. Kasi nga, nag-cry ako kanina guys. Kasi nga, last day na ng amo namin. Ang init! Shit! What is this? Uy, hindi ako OA. Ang init talaga, sis. Suffer. Parang ano, parang nasa harap ka ng bonfire. Ganon yung feeling, sis. Kaya pag may nagsasabi na sa Pilipinas ay mainit daw, like, come to Buday. Sure. Buday. Ang sakit ng balat. Alam mo, ano, para tayo, pag hinawa ka may balat natin, para tayong nilalagnat.
Tapos pagtaas ng aircon,
Oo, tas may aircon.
kakasakit ka na talaga.
Oo. So baka tomorrow, magsiklip na ako. Ilalagay na ako ng auto-reply ko mamaya. Naka-schedule ang siklip ko. What? My face! Kasi kahit yung hangin niya, ang init-init. Ses, agbitin-bitin ka man to yun eh. Kaya walang silbi ang skincare dito. Mahal palang skincare. Ma-open lang yung pores mo kasi super init. Pauwi na kami. Alam, pati yung ganito ng bag kong init. But anyways guys, pauwi na kami. See you tomorrow, everybody! Good morning, everybody! It's Thursday. Papasok na ulit tayo. Yeah, it's another day para magtrabaho. But yeah. Guys, we're already here, but you know what? We're still waiting for Edmar. Lagi na lang siyang late. Hindi pwede yung ganitong ginagawa niya sa amin. But yeah, kasi nga habang naglalakad kasi yun, naglalandi kasi siya. Kaya yan, late siya. But anyways, hindi super init today. Ewan ko, or ako lang to, ang hindi naiinitan. Nasabit na naman yun sa lalaki, guys. Lalakero pa naman yun. Papasok na ang mga badeng. Good morning, brother. So guys, we're on our way to RoboChef. Nandun na ang mga Badengs. Doon kami magla-lunch kasi may pakain ngayon si Ate Maritage. Guys, so we have Blue Lagoon for our drinks. It's for me, Master. Thank you very much. This is
Ano, may plan?
our food.
Dami nga din ito eh. Gusto mo ba na pizza? Kasi carbs na yun.
Tara. Ito yung cellphone mo na lang, tapos airdrop.
Yan ang pwede.
Guys! Our retinol! Oh my god! This is not right or left! Ang alada ko, guys! Sorry, guys.
Tignan mo yung priority mo.
Pasamaan ka natin.
Oo.
Friday naman eh. My anaconda, my anaconda, my anaconda, this boy's my anaconda, my anaconda, my anaconda, Good morning, guys. It's Friday. And yeah, it's my favorite day. Pero alam niyo ba, ang sakit ng paa ko sa daliri niya kasi nga natapakan ko kasi yung curler ng hair ko. Mainit pa yun kanina. But anyways, it's Friday. Madaming kaganapan today. Later of the day, pupunta kami sa bahay ng colleague namin, which is also my friend, to create a video for you guys. Dun sa video na yun, madaming kayong matututunan. It's a podcast actually. As usual, guys, ito ang ating lunch. Donor. Yes.
Baya.
Kinabahan. Wow! Walang gustong magputi. Olen.